Bay leaf benefits. Bay leaf is widely known as a plant with flavoring benefits. But did you know that bay leaves can also be used in other forms, such as health teas and aromatherapy? In this video, we present the surprising benefits of bay leaves and how to consume them. There are many different plants that are called bay leaves, but the true bay leaf is scientifically known as Laurus nobilis. Many other leaves look and smell a lot like bay leaves, but don't have the same nutritional content. Laurus nobilis are native to the Mediterranean region and were commonly seen there in the past. However, due to climate change, they can now only be found in some areas. These leaves have been a part of the culinary and medicinal world for thousands of years. Ancient Romans used them as a cure for headaches and sciatica. The wide range of benefits offered by these leafy vegetables make them a must-have addition to your diet. Let's dig deeper into the benefits of bay leaves. Bay leaves may improve digestion. Bay leaves have traditionally been used to relieve indigestion and stomach-related ailments, such as gas and heartburn. A 2019 research in the Medicinal Plants of South Asia journal found that bay leaves not only give you wonderful flavor, but they can also help relieve abdominal pain, stomach infections, and bloating. Some people also believe that bay leaves can be used like a diuretic. However, more research will have to be done to fully understand the effects of these leaves on digestion. Bay leaves can help relieve respiratory conditions. A study published in the Biological and Pharmaceutical Bulletin found that bay leaves have strong antibacterial properties. Bay leaves contain powerful essential oils that have time-honored healing properties for respiratory ailments. When mixed into a salve, these oils can be rubbed on the chest to relieve symptoms associated with asthma and congestion. If you have difficulty breathing, try using a poultice. Cover the chest with a wet leaf poultice and wait for a few hours. Inhaling the vapor can have a calming effect similar to aromatherapy and may also help loosen up phlegm by eliminating dangerous bacteria that might be trapped in respiratory tracts. It has its own natural antibacterial quality. Bay leaves may improve hair health. Apparently, bay leaves are really good for hair care, and they're supposed to be able to stop dandruff. Dandruff is often the result of dry skin, and if you want to get rid of it, a homemade solution is to steep bay leaves in water and then rub them onto your scalp after shampoo. The ingredients in these products may help eliminate dry skin and dandruff. Bay leaves might aid as an anti-inflammatory agent. Bay leaf benefits include reducing inflammation, which is confirmed by a study published in the Phytotherapy Research Journal. Bay leaves are known for their fresh and lemony scent, as well as their ability to reduce inflammation and irritation when applied to sensitive areas. The effect is most likely linked back to the plant's phytonutrient called parthenolide. Bay leaves can be used to improve or protect heart health. Caffeic acid and rutin are found in bay leaves, which may help with heart health. Taking rutin can help prevent heart failure and strengthen capillary walls. Caffeic acid helps eliminate bad cholesterol from the cardiovascular system. Bay leaves can help reduce anxiety and stress. The linalool found in bay leaves can help lower the level of stress hormones in the body, especially when used in aromatherapy. A study found that several of bay leaves' properties can help you remain calm even in your high-stress moments. Even more, they can help to lower excess stress hormones, which can potentially be dangerous for long-term health. Bay leaves in cooking can help prevent kidney stones. A study from 2014 investigated if bay leaf extract could help prevent kidney stones. Researchers found that, along with other traditional medicinal herbs, bay leaf can reduce the amount of urease in your body. Urease is an enzyme that, when out of balance, can lead to several gastric disorders. For example, kidney stones can form as a result. The easiest way to consume bay leaves is by adding 1 or 2 to your cooking, whether it's for a soup, stew, or braising liquid. In time, it will infuse the flavor and aroma of the dish with some mild herbs. You can also add a bay leaf to pickling brine when making pickled vegetables. If you want to use it in a spice rub, purchase fresh bay leaves instead. and typically use them just as you would any other ground dried spice. Bay leaves can also be consumed as a healthy tea drink. But if you store them for too long, they will lose their flavor. Bay leaves will keep for about 12 months. If you find fresh ones or you grow your own, drying them and then storing them in an airtight container is a good option. Another option is to freeze the fresh bay leaves. If you're cooking with bay leaves, be sure to remove them before you eat the food. The whole leaf cannot be digested and will end up intact through your digestive system. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to watch other videos on this channel if you're interested in natural, healthy living. Click the subscribe button to stay updated with our posts.